Hello everybody, this is Juan from Sentinel said. Today I'm gonna do this video with my friend Eddie from United States. Eddie, how are you doing?
Good. Hi guys, my name is Eddie Gomez from I Repair for Less in Brighton, Colorado. Thank you, Juan, for inviting me.
You're welcome, sir. Today we would like to explain to you guys how to connect this machine and how to use this machine, the function of this machine, because we can use it for like separating glass, separating frame, and also like taking off the TP, the touch panel. And also those mistakes Eddie had when he started using this machine. Okay, Eddie, let's start.
Let's start. Okay, so basically when I got this machine, I don't know how to use it. So I start learning during the process. First, you need to know how to find or where to buy liquid nitrogen. So I Googled it and I found different places in my area, and prices can be between $18 to $25 for 10 liters of liquid nitrogen, which is the capacity for that tank. Let's start with the process. This valve right here, this valvula, I will recommend always to use gloves so you don't burn yourself with the liquid nitrogen. So basically you have to make sure before you introduce it completely, make sure this thing is not all the way closed and it's not all the way open either. Okay, probably right there, if you guys looking at it right there, then go ahead and put it all the way in right there, and then you're gonna start twisting with both hands. Hold with this hand on the top, and with the other hand start twisting until it gets hard. It's getting harder and harder. That's it. Well, this process is very simple. This is the line for the liquid nitrogen, and this is the line that the air compressor that is built in this machine injects into the tank to evacuate, to transfer the liquid nitrogen into the frozen separating machine. Now, this machine comes with two options: 220 for some countries, and also you have the option of 110 for some countries in South America and United States. So this is this power switch, power button. So before I turn on this machine, I wanna go to explain to you guys some of the mistakes that I personally made in my repair shop. When I got the machines, I got so excited that I want to start using it, I want to start practicing, and so basically I set it up, I connect everything the way I just showed you, but the mistake I made is I set it up right in the middle of the way where I was walking back and forth. So when I turn the machine on, as you know, these machines go down to 140, even more. The process was going, and when it was about minus 100, I decided that the tank and the machine was right in the middle of the way, so I decided to go ahead and move it to an area where it would not bother me to walk around. That was a big mistake, because the hose where the liquid nitrogen goes through to the machine explodes, it breaks. But it's because the temperature is so low into that hose that the hose cracked, explodes completely, and it was a big line of liquid nitrogen coming out, and it burned myself. So you guys have to be really careful, because working with liquid nitrogen is not a game. It's kind of dangerous, and you can hurt and burn yourself. So be careful. Do not move the machine around when it's working, when it's on completely. Wait until the temperature go again to normal to make sure you move it around. Hi, we're here again. So continuing with the process, it has two buttons. This is the power switch, and over here, if you can come over here, this is the second button right here. which is gonna turn on the compressor that is built in, that is gonna inject the air into the tank to transfer the liquid nitrogen into the frozen machine. Okay, so before you turn the compressor on, you have to set up the right temperature right here. You just push set and you start going up. If you are at this moment you are doing curved screens like Galaxy S6 Edge or S7 Edge or S6 Edge Plus, we recommend to set it up to 140. If you're doing iPhone screens, we recommend it to do it to 120. So now when we set the right temperature, you turn your pump on and you have to wait approximately 12 to 15 minutes. Be right back. Okay, so we are doing this video in Spanish and English too. We're just showing you here, guys, that we already started the process with the stopwatch. As you can see here, it's minus 140. That's what we set for curved screens, and the machine is still at 17.4, and it's going down now because it's already getting the liquid nitrogen in the machine. See you in a little bit. We are back again, guys. As you can see, the time went a little bit longer than what we expect. The reason for that was because the how you say
Silencio.
silencer.
Got it.